Hello, and welcome to the intro overview video for the Tennessee Strong Families Tracker. In this video, we are going to briefly go over each tab of the tracker, each of which will be further explained in more detail in the subsequent videos of this series. We will start with the User Guide tab. Here you will find detailed instructions for entering data into each tab and information about how the data you enter is aggregated and populated into the quarterly and annual report tabs. It is highly advised that you read through the user guide and even put in some mock data to get acquainted with the tracker. Next is the Client ID key. This is where you will keep track of your client's unique ID number that distinguishes them from other clients served. It also houses your annual data for individuals served per service category. Tabs Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 will contain quarterly demographic and service data. You will need to fill out the client's demographic information for each quarter in this section, as well as the quarterly service types received by the client served that quarter. These tabs also collect information on services delivered that you input in the Services Log tab, which you will use for collecting data each time you see your client. We will provide further instruction on this in the Services Log video. Finally, there is the Annual Reporting tab, which will pull from the data entered on the previously mentioned tabs to provide you accurate counts for your reports. This concludes our intro overview video for the Tennessee Tracker tutorial series. For more detailed instructions on any one of these sections, please watch our other videos in this series, as we will provide complete instructions for each tab mentioned in this overview.